T. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Adri. Today I'm going to be doing a video on my go-to soft glam. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I'm editing this video and my eyebrows are crusty. I'm wearing the most crusty ass headband and I have dried up product in my hair, so I have like hella dandruff. So please ignore that. It's just like continuously throughout the video, so I really can't avoid it. But I like this video and I really don't want to not upload it because I have dandruff and crusty headband and crusty eyebrows. So yeah, just ignore that. This look, I use my go-to Elmer's purple glue. This really helps with keeping my brow hairs in place, and I've been really liking the fluffy brow look. So sorry, I'm like just getting into the video and it's like throwing me off. I don't know what it is about doing a video and doing your makeup that just like gives me anxiety. I start in sections because this glue tends to flake a little bit, which is fine. I don't really mind it because I go in with a brow product after, like a pomade, to kind of fill in the empty spots. But I've just been really loving this look, and with this glue it really gives my brows that effect and it keeps them in place all day. I could never really find something that worked with my brows, so I feel like this was a great affordable alternative. So as you can see, it gives my brows that fluffy look. A lot of people don't like this look really, which is understandable. But if you just try it, it makes your brows look like they're fuller. This Catrice concealer is really good. I especially love it as a base before eyeshadow, just because this stuff does not crease, dude. Other concealers I've used, just they don't last and they will just crease throughout the day. So I've been really liking this concealer as an eye base and an under eye concealer. I do want a shade lighter, just because I feel like the shade's a little too close to my skin tone. I usually like something that's a little more brightening, and then I will give it a light set with the powder that I use. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent powder. So good. I'm gonna lightly set over my eyes like I said. Now usually I would take a lot more powder, but since this concealer doesn't crease, I don't feel the need to set it as heavily as I would with other concealers. I'm just going to go in with the James Charles palette. I'm going to use these two oranges right here. So I'm going to go in with that orange first all over the crease, blow it out a little bit, and then I will take the warm brown and put it on the outer corner of my eye. All I'm doing is just putting that orange in the crease. Nothing crazy. But I was saying that I want to do a video where I show you guys my go-to brushes. I recently got this brush set from Shop Miss A. I recently did a video with Shop Miss A makeup, which is a bunch of dollar makeup. So if you guys missed that video, I will link it at the end of the video. So I bought 2 packs of the 10-piece nuggets, no I'm kidding, brush set, but it's for the eyes and they're so good. I'm breaking out. After I got 2 packs of those, I went ahead and got myself a brush set just to see if I would like it the same. But I like the brushes just as much as when I use them on other people. This is the E130 brush. It's so perfect for when you have like hooded eyes or smaller lid space. So nice. It makes things easier for me. I used to use brushes that were way too big for my eyes, and it would kind of just throw the shadow everywhere. And I was just getting into makeup, so I didn't really know. I thought, you know, since everybody else was using larger brushes on YouTube and stuff, I just thought it all worked for everyone. which I mean, I guess you can make them work. It's just a lot harder to get the look you want with brushes that are too large for your eyes rather than just, you know, brushes that work for your eye shape. That looks very orange on camera, but this is like a warm brown, so all I'm doing is really just like deepening up the shadow. Usually I go in with Hershey, the shade right here. It's just a light gold, so I'm just going to take it and with my finger I will just tap it, and I will take the shadow up like past the crease because if I have hooded lids, so the shadow's gonna get up there anyway, so I like to blend it up there as well just so it doesn't look blotchy up here. I just keep packing on. I feel like these shimmer shades work a lot better with your finger. I really like that shade. And I just like literally scratched all of it out of the pan like that. But what I'll do usually is take my e.l.f. pomade. This is what it looks like. And I will kind of just like fill it in however much I feel the need to. This is in the shade Espresso. It's a really dark shade. So just be careful because it can get out of hand really quick. And I know that because I would do that. I would just go ham sandwich on this brow product. And it just, you know, it's very pigmented. So just, you know, watch out for that. Kind of just filling in the gaps. I'm not taking too much of it. Now that I think they look as similar as possible, I will move on to the face. I use my Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay Foundation. It's really good. This is my go-to favorite. Dude, this sponge is so dirty. This sponge is also really good though. Wow, it looks too light for me. Sponge is ginormous. This is the Sonia Kashuk sponge. I've had it for a while. I feel like I need to go get another one because I've been breaking out pretty bad on my skin. Like I've been getting these little bumps under my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to put this foundation all over my face. I don't usually wear primer. I will put on my e.l.f. mattifying lotion because it's so good. I'm just gonna continue. Okay, so like I said, I use that Catrice concealer. I've really been loving it for an eyeshadow base and for under the eye. So I'm gonna use the AOA powder to set. Ooh, I used too much. I'm just taking a powder and setting under my eyes a little bit. The AOA powder, it's only $1. Don't really like it for my skin personally. I have textured oily skin and it's kind of like a satin powder, so it does have a tiny bit of shimmer, not any glitter. I don't know, a sheer powder. And so it doesn't completely mattify my skin, which I want it to mattify my skin just because I'm already oily, so yeah. Not my favorite powder, but I'm gonna use it for today's video because I have it and I can't waste it. I'd rather use a product I don't like than throw it away. I'm sick. I don't know why. Anything with any kind of orange undertones looks crazy on camera. It looks even more orange than it is, so just ignore that if it looks crazy. Let's see. Okay, well, we're gonna keep moving. It's fine. So it skipped what I was saying. I took that AOA powder and I used it to bake. That's what I really like to use it for because it brings that light back under the bronzer. If I were to use my Wet n Wild one, it wouldn't show up. It's translucent, so it just doesn't do the job I want it to do when it comes to baking. It really does set and smooth out my skin, so I really love it for that. But for baking specifically, that powder, I like it. It's pretty good. For blush, I'm just gonna take whatever I got, kind of pop it on the cheeks. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is kind of tap in that powder. I wipe away the bottom part mostly, and then for the part where it's right here, I tap it in. And I'll swirl a little bit. You see how that powder like really brings light and erases. So I'm just going to spray my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Sorry if the lighting's changing. I don't know what's happening. Oh, hi texture. Welcome back. You cannot stop me. I usually do my lower lash line, but I just don't feel like doing it today, so I'm just not going to do it. I'm going to take my Voluminous Carbon Black mascara. I don't like this stuff, but I'm going to use it today because all the other mascaras I have are waterproof, and I'm trying to struggle to take off my mascara, you know? Don't get me wrong, I actually like it like now, but if I laugh or anything else, or just even throughout the day, it'll like get black like right under there, even if I don't put it on my lower lashes. So I really don't like that in a mascara. And for my everyday lip, I've been really loving this Anastasia lipstick in the color Latte. It's just like a really pretty neutral. And I think that's it. If you like this more chilled out version of a video, let me know. I'm kind of just sitting on my floor. Like, I'm having a Trisha Paytas moment, I feel. And I'm just doing makeup and I'm kind of just like talking to you guys. So yeah, just let me know in the comments, please. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, if you want to. But other than that, I think we are done here. I will see you in the next video. Bye!